Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix fail to download or apply critical settings here in Roblox. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and right click on the blank space right here on your taskbar. Now click on Task Manager. Alright, in here under processes, just type down Roblox. Okay, if you can find any processes right here that says Roblox, for example, this one is the Roblox, just right click on it and just hit on and task. Okay, once every Roblox service has ended, okay, you can go ahead over to your search bar right here and type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. Now click on this file folder. So what you'll do is just go ahead and find Roblox in this page or folder. Double click on Roblox. Now here we have versions. Double click. Now what you'll do is just go ahead and select all of these version folders right here, and once done, right click and hit on delete. Okay, once everything is deleted, you can go ahead and go back to your favorite browser. Now type down roblox.com and just play any game from here. All right, let's say we're going to play Arsenal. So just basically hit on play right here and it will detect that you don't have a Roblox player. So it will just ask you to download and install the Roblox player. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.